Alright, we're going to prepare the first one of these thingy-maboodles, maboodles. Let's grab some more screws. I don't know if these will still work. They still work, okay, alright. I am guessing they'll go on here. But again, should they go on this one? Should they go on that one? I don't know. We will try and find out. It's like, it's what happens when you buy something that doesn't really have much going on as far as instructions go. That's why so many people are scared of buying new technology. It's not because it's difficult or anything, it's because manufacturers think that people are supposed to be geniuses and just figure it out as they go along, and that doesn't always work so well for most people. Okay, so this is supposed to go in here somehow. Somewhere, somehow. Maybe it's supposed to go in here? Nope. That wouldn't work. Would it work if you tried to do that? No, that wouldn't work either. It feels like it should go in there somehow. Those are the closest to the right size. And you can't install like this because they have to be doing this, so... And that's pretty strange how this is set up. Would have thought that, you know, they would just magically work, but they don't. So, what was the whole point of installing, making? So I'll have to figure this part out. Doesn't look straightforward enough that you can just guess.